How to source filters on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option of your story. Click on the camera option. With that, your camera will open up. Now scrolling to the right, you're gonna find all the filters of Instagram. Scroll all the way to the right. At the very end, you'll find the option of browse effects. Click on that. Now from here, you are able to search for the filters. You can click on this magnifying glass icon. Now go ahead and search for any of the filter. With that, tons of filter options will appear. Select any of it. Now the filter will be applied. You are able to click the picture or shoot the video. Likewise, you can also check out the trending section, appearance, aesthetic, games, and many more. So this way you are able to source filters on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.